Hey guys, I want to share with you my newfound favorite recipe for making yam. So first, I'm going to add some water into my pot and I've sliced this yam into my desired shape. So go right ahead and slice it into any shape that you want. This shape is going to make it easier for me to coat this yam when it is time, and I'll show you that in this video. I'm going to parboil this yam with salt and a little bit of oil. I'll allow this to boil until effect can go right into it. It's not going to be so soft, neither is it going to be hard. Then let's get into making the sauce. I have flour on a separate plate and I'm going to break in one egg into another plate. I'm going to add in dry pepper, my salt. I'm going to add in a little bit of curry and a little bit of seasoning cube. This is just to give this yam a good and delicious taste. So I'm going to whisk this very well until all the ingredients that I have added into the egg has been fully incorporated. Now let's go right into coating this yam. This is my parboiled yam. It's just warm. It's no longer hot. So I'm going to dip this into the egg and I'm going to coat it with the flour. So if you want this to be thickly coated, you're going to do this process 2 to 3 times. You're going to repeat this process for 2 to 3 times. I just want mine lightly coated. I still want it crispy and nice. I don't want so much flour on the yam, so I'm just going to coat this only once, and when I'm done coating it, I'll just gently tap the yam so that the flour on it gets off the yam a little bit. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video, leave a comment, like this video. Tell me what you think about this video. Is this something you would love to try? Is this a recipe you would love to try? By the way, it tasted delicious and it came out nice. So go ahead and coat all the yam you want to fry with the egg and then the flour. Preheat your oil and get into frying this yam. So I'm going to fry one side and then the other side until it is golden brown, just the way that I want it. If you want it extra brown, go ahead, fry this until what you desire is just there. Then you can sieve this out and drain with a paper towel or a basket. Okay, so I'm okay with this brownness and I'm just going to take this out and sieve it in a basket. If you're not okay, keep on frying, do your thing, just make sure that it is your desired brownness. And this was crispy just the moment that I brought it out from the fire. So this is it. You can just try other ways of coating this yam. There are other ways of coating this yam actually, mixing your flour with water before coating, but I still want mine, the flour to make it crispy, so I didn't have to mix the flour with water. So I'm just going to take this out of the oil because I'm okay with how it has turned out. So then we are going to go into making the egg we want to use to eat this yam. By the way, if you don't want to eat this yam with any sauce or egg, that's also okay because you've coated the egg with seasoning and that's just nice. So the egg I fried is just the remaining egg I used to coat my yam. I added in a little onion, so you don't have to pour your egg away. You can fry this and use it to eat your yam. I just added a little bit of tomato on this egg for extra taste, and that's just it. The egg is ready. Fry it and dish this out with your yam and enjoy your meal. So if this is a recipe you'd love to try, tell me how it turned out for you and what you think about this recipe. Do you enjoy making your yam this way, or you'd rather stick to the method at so I'm just dishing mine out. I'm just going to dish this out. So if you want extra sauce, you can go ahead, take this with extra sauce, whatever toppings you would want to use for it. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Till next time, bye.